Hello, it's Crafty Rhea. Welcome to another video. Today I have a little bit of happy mail that was in my post office box. Not a lot, but a couple of envelopes, and I think one of them might be a St. Patrick's Day card. So let's go ahead and get started. This first one is a thank you card from Cheryl from Cher and Charlie's Personal Crafts. I sent her some paints and some paintbrushes that she can use on her channel, and she wrote me a really nice thank you note inside of this card. I won't read it or share it since some of it's personal, but I do want to acknowledge that I received it. Thank you so much, Cheryl, and I save all of my cards from viewers, and I will put your card with the rest. Then I received this envelope from a viewer. This is from Agnes, and she sent me this good luck card. I said that if anyone sends me a St. Patrick's Day card, I would send them one back. So Agnes, I will be sending you a St. Patrick's Day card in the mail, so watch your mail. And she did leave it blank so I can use it again, but I will put this on my wall of St. Patrick's Day cards, and I will be sending you one back in the mail. The rest of the mail, I believe, is from the group Creativity Swaps, Happy Mail and Friendship. We do a lot of swaps, and I believe that's what the rest of it is. This one is from Vicky, and this is a St. Patrick's Day card, very pretty. And she wrote, "Happy St. Patrick's Day. Your channel is always fun and informative." Thank you so much, Vicky. For sure, I will put this on my wall, and I will be sending you a St. Patrick's Day card in the mail. I like how it matches the envelope. Very pretty. This one is from Jean. Jean is a viewer. This is a St. Patrick's Day card. Very pretty, Jean. She says, "May the luck of the Irish be with you. Thanks for your great tutorials, Jean." And I really like the gnome. I ordered a bunch of gnomes for our Christmas tree that we keep up all year, so it's full of gnomes. Very cool, Jean, and I'll be sending you a St. Patrick's Day card in the mail. This next one is from Jennifer, and this envelope is really cool. It is like a honeycomb texture, and there is some pretty washi tape. And this is the Bling tag. Of course, there was a Bling tag. I had to join the Bling tag. And she said, "This is for a Bling tag I owe you from September, and may have sent it already, but I don't think so. Sorry it's so late. Life's been crazy." I understand, Jennifer, and that's okay. Bling is always worth waiting for. And this is the pretty bling that's all the different colors. I'm guessing this is the same type that comes off in rose, which I absolutely love. Thank you so much, Jennifer. I will put that to good use. I love bling. Late bling is better than no bling. This next one is from Miranda, and I won't show you the front of the card, but she decorated it so pretty, only because addresses are on there. And we have some washi tape samples and this really pretty blank card. And some goodies. This says, "Dear Maria, here's an assortment of your wish requests, birthday, peacock, owl, glitter, etc. Have fun using them to create." Every 2 weeks or twice a month, we do wishes on the the board and I wish for different things, but I do almost always wish for glittery things. I said this time with dogs and owls and always peacocks. I love that. And I think birthday embellishments, because I don't have a lot of birthday embellishments. So she sent this really nice assortment. These birthday balloons are really pretty. That would go good. I bet. I'm going to set those to the side. Happy birthday. And the cute bunny and the package. These are really pretty. And these, if you cut these out, that is great fussy cutting. And these are glitter strips and some washi tape. Oh, look, there's peacock and owl washi tape and glittery washi tape. That is so pretty. You know, I don't think I have peacock washi tape. There's this birthday card that's blank, and I bet some of these embellishments would look really cute popped up on here to make this card something special. I'll have to work on that and see what I can do. That's really a great little package. Thank you so much, Miranda. I really appreciate it. And the next two are from the same person. They're both from Tootie. I think that's how she says her name. If it's wrong and you're watching, please correct me. I'm sorry if I said it wrong. This is a little thank you, and this says it's one of my wishes for a drink mix, and I almost always wish for drink mix. We have Island Punch, Sunkissed Grape, Sour Lime drink mix. Oh, that's exciting. And Crystal Light. Mango green tea. Those are exciting to try. I love drink mixes. And of course, this card front that says thank you, that can be embellished and used on a card, of course. And this bigger package is also from her. Let's see if I can open it. I'll open it down this side. It's a nice handmade envelope from a recycled calendar. There's a lot of layers, and I want to make sure I didn't miss anything. There we go. And this is from Wishes from Used Cards. That is something that is always on my wish list. And these are really cool pumpkins. That would be neat to cut out or to put black glitter paper behind that. And these two boos, they're so cool. Oh, look at that skull. That's really cool. Oh, that's going to be fun to do. I'll put these in with my Halloween stuff. Those are going to be fun. And that card is so pretty. And the red car is metallic. So that's really cool. This says Christmas greetings. Merry Christmas. Oh, those are neat. Snowmen with the purple around it. That's really cool. Thank you so much, Tootie. I will put these to good use. They look like they are going to be so much fun to use. Well, thank you everyone who sent me Happy Mail and the St. Patrick's Day cards. I will be taking down my Valentine cards and filling up the wall with St. Patrick's Day cards and then also Easter cards. So if you'd like to send me a St. Patrick's Day or an Easter card in the mail, I will send you one in return. Or just a spring card. I really enjoy the card swaps that we have, so I will keep them going with the seasons. Thank you again so much for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.